Welcome! In this video, you'll learn about the layout of the DataRobot software, including accessing your account settings, accessing the extensive documentation and examples, getting support, and generally navigating around. This short video can save you hours down the road by improving your navigation and getting you answers to questions. Account settings are accessed from the orange person icon in the upper right corner. Under Platform Settings, you can change your theme from dark to light. Under Developer Tools, you can generate an API key to connect to the DataRobot API from a notebook, IDE, or other application. Under Data Connections, you can view all your existing connectors and create new ones. Documentation and support is accessed from the orange question mark in the upper right corner. UI documentation is for users that are working in the graphical user interface, where we are now. API documentation is for users connecting to the DataRobot application programming interface. Both sets of documentation are searchable. You can also browse by topic. Note that the Python and R documentation will take you to external websites. Support is available 24/7 from the customer support team. You can also ask a question in the DataRobot community or browse past questions. If you're watching this video as part of a proof of value, please contact your account team managing your POV as your first line of support. Navigation in DataRobot uses a consistent major menu bar across the top and nested context-specific menu bars that appear in certain sections. The blue text shows you which section you're currently in. Inside the Models section, the second level navigation appears just below with the choices Repository, Leaderboard, and so on and so forth out to Model Comparison. DataRobot will default to the viewed as the most common, not necessarily the first option in the list. This principle of nested menus is used throughout the software. For example, when we click into one model on the leaderboard, we see two new navigation menus appear. The top level runs from Evaluate on the left to Bias and Fairness on the right. And each of these menu options has submenus associated with it. The active section is always noted in the blue text. Your view may differ from mine based on the software features you're evaluating and based on the current software version compared to when this video was created. After watching this video, you should feel more comfortable navigating the DataRobot software and getting help. See you next time.